Hey everybody, Gavin here, back in the kitchen. So today we have another use for our chicken. We are going to roast off the carcass here with some vegetables, and we're going to make a delicious roast chicken stock. What we're going to do, we can use this as a base for a soup or a stew or some sort of one pot meal. We're also going to take off the excess meat from the carcass, nice delicious roast chicken flavor. We're going to use that in a lunch, maybe in a sandwich or a salad or a wrap or something. We'll figure it out. So here's the carcass ready for the oven. We just have a base of onions and carrots. I have the chicken carcass on top, salt and pepper, bay leaf, some herbs, a little drizzle of olive oil, straight in the oven till it's beautiful and golden brown, and then into the stock pot. Here's the bird, 40 minutes in the oven, nice and caramelized and roasted, ready for the stock pot. Look at all those flavors in there. You got the carrots and the onions, the fresh herbs. Smells unbelievable. It's going to be an amazing, amazing stock. Look at this finished product. Look at that rich, deep roast chicken color, the flavor. You can smell the herbs, the roasted garlic. It's going to be an amazing base to any soup or stew. We'll figure out that recipe next time. Listen, thanks for watching. If you like the videos, please subscribe and feel free to leave a comment below with any suggestions that you'd like us to cook. In the meantime, keep cooking. We'll see you soon. Cheers.